Toolbox talks, strains and sprains. Year in and year out, one of the most common work-related injury continues to be strains and sprains. Because they are quite painful when they happen, this can result in lost time at work or other personal activities. Although strains and sprains are common injuries, they can be prevented with the knowledge and practice of a few specific behaviors coupled with good health. A strain is an injury caused by the stretching or tearing of a muscle or tendon. A sprain is an injury caused by the tearing of the fibers of a ligament. Common symptoms of a strain or sprain would be pain and swelling, muscle spasms, limited ability to move, bruising, and a popping sound at the time of injury. What can you do to prevent these? Be in good physical condition. Exercise regularly. Do 5 minutes of stretching each morning. Practice good safety behaviors such as thinking before entering and exiting a vehicle. Trying not to twist or stretch when carrying a load. Clearing the path of travel prior to lifting heavy objects. And checking your footing and being aware of surface dangers where you are walking. Choose proper footwear and ask for help as needed. Common treatments for a strain or sprain would be to rest and avoid activity or minimize the weight on the injury. Icing the injury immediately after. Compression by wrapping the area with an elastic wrap or bandage. And elevating the injury above your heart to limit the swelling. For recovery of minor injuries, minimize your use of the injured area for about 2 days. If not getting noticeably better after 2 to 3 days, see your supervisor. Over-the-counter pain relievers and continued icing of the injury may be helpful to manage the pain. Take your time recovering. Rushing or cutting corners during recovery will increase your risk to further injury or a new injury. For severe strains and sprains, medical attention may be necessary. Be safe. 35% of all work-related injuries include lifting, lowering, or repetitive motions. Avoid overreaching and twisting when lifting, and lifting items that are too heavy.